Hello friends and potential friends. Well, let's see, today is October 31st, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 2:30, 85 degrees. And here in Central Florida, this is what we call fall. That's when our high temperatures fall below 90. I think we've only had 4 days in the 90s this October. And hopefully things will cool off a little bit. I'm just out here in the garden looking around, and I decided I'd bring y'all along and show you where we're at this day. Well, before we check out the main part of the garden, let's check out the tomato tower. Oh, got some nasturtiums starting to pop up down there and some marigolds. Then we've got our garden peach tomatoes. They're growing pretty fast. I'm gonna have to put supports on these pretty soon. And then we've got some basil at the top. That's lime basil and cinnamon basil, I believe. Yep. I plan on getting seeds from those garden peach tomatoes this year, so I hope they'll cooperate. Uh-oh, there's something else I'm gonna have to deal with. Can't have those guys hanging around, but I'm gonna have to get the right tools before I take them on. And back here on the patio, we got Spooky. Still a few pineapples, my cactuses. Looks like I probably will be harvesting the ginger and turmeric tower pretty soon. They're starting to droop and turn yellow on me, so that's my sign. Salad tower, doing pretty good. This is just a variety of lettuces. More marigolds and nasturtiums in the bottom tier, and more basil in the top tier. I should be able to start eating salads pretty soon. Sweet potatoes, well, they're not going to be here much longer. In fact, they're trying to leave. But I'm hoping to have sweet potatoes for Thanksgiving this year, which means I need to give them a couple of weeks to cure after I do the digging. So, guess I'll be doing some digging in the next week or so. Pineapples, still more wild grass than I really need. But my brassicas bed is doing pretty good. We got rainbow Swiss chard up here at this end. Then we've got some romaine here. And I've been thinning the romaine. There's 2 or 3 plants in each of these spots. So basically I just go in and thin them out. The Napa cabbage is coming along real nice. I may even have some kimchi for Thanksgiving. And then the cabbage collards here at the end, they're doing pretty good. A little bit more basil I stuck down at this end. My perennial rosemary. And then this is the bed where I grew my sweet potato slips, and I noticed something interesting in here. There's one vine here that the leaves just don't look quite like sweet potatoes. I mean, this is what we're used to in a sweet potato leaf, but this one vine comes down and has a little point on each side. And a number of those leaves have that. So I'm not sure what to make of that. But when I start digging, I'm going to be paying special attention to that particular vine. And these also are trying to leave, trying to escape, and spreading out quite a bit. Let's see, I've got some more Swiss chard in here. Looks a little bit sad because the raccoons got into this bed the other night, dug up a lot of this. I got to hurry up and get that fence heated up so I can keep them out of here. Got carrots coming up. These are the, what are they? The Danvers 126. Don't have real good germination in all the rows. I'll probably put some more seeds in there before too long. So I'd like to get enough carrots to put some in the pantry this year. And over here we've got some red acre cabbage. And I also direct sowed some golden acre cabbage back here, but nothing's popped up yet. Unless that's one, which it might be. Yeah, those are in the right spot. Looks like they're just starting to pop up. Spread out a little bit more basil over here. And I've got some more carrots planted under the cardboard there, but they haven't started sprouting yet. And over here, this is my garlic bed. And I noticed today, I'm starting to see garlic popping up. There's one there. A few more over here. A few more down at this end. So they're just now starting to come up through the surface. That bed over there is still currently empty. I got it amended, but I haven't topped it off with soil yet. And as you can see, the raccoons were digging in there a little bit too. And then we come to the peppers. These peppers look pretty sad. Milton beat them up quite a bit, but they still just keep on producing peppers for me. This is a lemon spice jalapeno. All of these plants are bent over. I tried straightening one of them up and it didn't appreciate it. So I'm just leaving them alone, see what they want to do, and so far what they want to do is keep on producing. Jimmy Nardello's over here. That red one there is a Pusa Jwala. We've got some yellow Scotch bonnets in here. Banana peppers. A couple of bell peppers. They didn't produce much during the summer because it was extremely dry here in July and August. But the rain started up in September and they started going crazy. And finally over here I've got some Praxis cherry tomatoes. And I put a few more basils in there. That Praxis at the end got dug up by the raccoons. I planted it back in the ground and gave it plenty of water, but it's not sure whether it's going to make it or not. And I haven't even started any more tomato seeds, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put over on this side. And then we have finally the ever-present patience garden. Not looking all that great. My theory is that they just did not like the hot, dry weather this summer. But they're still alive, and I still haven't eaten any of them. I keep planting more seeds, but I'm not getting much good germination on them. I guess I need to get some fresh seeds. but still plenty to do as far as the cleanup goes. But overall, I think the garden is coming along fairly well, and I'll be eating salads soon, digging sweet potatoes, digging up ginger and turmeric, and planning out my Thanksgiving menu. Oh, there's Snowflake. Hi, Snowflake. Yeah. But just a quick look around as we get ready to head into November. See what that has in store. So I'll see you next time.